Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically remove objects from your videos on Canva. So I'm just going to take a screenshot of this. Let me just do it like this actually. Or you can like save it as an image, whichever is quicker. I'll just put it in a different tab right now, and I'm just going to use the remove object. Yes, you do need the pro feature for this. Go to the magic eraser, and I'm just going to erase what I want to erase, which are these glasses. Then I'm going to press erase and just going to wait for it to remove it. I know there's some stuff here you can kind of like adjust it to if it's not like erased completely. Then I'm just going to copy that and place it on top of the video. And then I'm just going to kind of like crop that part out. And I know it moves, so make sure your video doesn't move too much, or else you'll need to go for like frame by frame. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.